I need to think. You're fucking real. You are a real...
A few moments later.
Yeah, you're actually here. Are you actually here? Okay.
For computer brain interface last year. How are you?
It's real. I know. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today, we will do an unboxing video of two of our latest purchases. First is our mini skincare fridge, and the second one is the Nintendo Switch. Without further ado, let's get started. And the package just arrived. I've been waiting for this for the whole day. Let's just sanitize it. Be right back.
Wala kaming gulping. Magulang to konti. So ito po. Ito is isang pusher para sa pang-pedicure. Wow, Strada is real. Strada is real. So, carefully wrap naman siya. Fully wrapped by a bubble wrap naman. So, sana walang nasira or defect. Dragon Tail! Even it's a breakdown. Gaan lang. Naka-plastic lang siya. So, tama na siya. What? Go away. Wala na. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Ito, walang kapili sa color mo. Dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ang pwede ara sa tatlo mo. I guess. Wala man. Okay.
Oops. Yeah, so pagbukas natin ng mini fridge na to for skincare is these two trays na which will go. Ay, sa parang tingin ko ano. Wait.
Feeling ko. Nagusto ka muna yan.
So, this is what it came with. It's a Ziploc bag na may user manual and cords, of course. Electrical cords. Electrical cords yung tawag. So, para sa car, no? Para sa electrical outlet. It's called Cold Warm Electronic Refrigerator User Manual. So, and also sa likod, sa likod meron siyang switch. Please zoom it, please. Pwede siya hot, pwede siya cold. Are you sure? So this is for the car and this is for... Ay, sali. Hindi ko sure. Nakama na. Let's organize! So, a quick backstory. Wala talaga akong plano bumili nito noon. But ever since hindi ko nalagay ang vitamin C serum ko and it turned yellow, I really did consider to buy this one. But then again, I stopped using serums and other Korean skincare products because one time several months ago, my skin was irritated and so I went to the dermatologist and she recommended me to buy certain creams and medicines na dapat i-store sa certain temperature. And one time siguro it was just really hot and eventually this night cream from like creamy white naging brown yung color niya. And I was just complaining every day, so James got me this mini skincare fridge, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, Bikowbie. Bikowbie, thank you. So let's proceed to the second item that we purchased. So we bought this as a gift to ourselves this Christmas. We chose the Nintendo Switch over Switch Lite because we intended to share and play some 2-player games in here. At the same time, pwede siyang i-dock sa big screen which is more exciting. We bought this at Data Blitz in Ayala Capital Malls here in Bacolod. And shout out po pala sa Data Blitz crew because they are so accommodating. We also got some free screen protector and hard case cover but they're not installing it in the store so kami na lang yung naglagay at home. Now let's do some unboxing. When opening the box, there you'll see the Nintendo Switch console and the left and right Joy-Cons. Underneath is a high-speed HDMI cable, the Nintendo Switch AC adapter or charger, the warranty card and the user manual, the Joy-Con grip, two Joy-Con straps, and the Nintendo Switch dock. vlog for today. We hope you like it, and if you do, like this video and hit that subscribe button to keep you updated for our latest vlogs. See you soon! Bye!
Pero may ambag kami.
Record na.
Ganito.
Ano ba yun?
Ito kami maganda.
Ano ba? Today we will do an unboxing video of our latest purchases. First is our mini skincare fridge.
Ito ba?
We'll do an unboxing vlog. Do unboxing vlog. This purchases. An unboxing of our latest purchases. I quit this life.
Ako naman record na ako na yung webcam.
Uh,
Hi guys! Welcome back sa aming channel! Today, we will do an unboxing of our latest 2 purchases. Today, we will do an unboxing of our 2 products that we purchased. So ngayon,
ilang gawa na na?
sa subong unbox kami sa kabilog ngayon baka naman sa 12. So first is ang mini skincare product.
Fridge!
So skincare fridge. The next is ang
Ako naman may edit na.
and that is for our vlog day. See you soon! Bye!
Let's go!
Mensa. Okay guys. Okay guys, so see you soon.